Isaac has something to add about the description of his plane.
This is an alarm, and whenever it goes, it spins because it's a police helicopter plane.
Oh, wow.
And this spins and it goes, it's a light. It can be a light too.
And it raises up?
Yep. If it finds somebody who's hurt.
Cool. And you said there were wheels on it too?
Yep.
You can get close to this thing. Cool.
And that thing checks the wheels if it's good.
That thing does?
Yep.
Cool. Can you turn it over?
Yeah.
Let me see the top again of the plane.
Mhm.
It's really nice.
Thanks.
Did a good job.